Welcome to TechVerse, your ultimate destination for cutting-edge tech updates. Today, we're diving deep into the latest Garmin Fenix 8 beta update, version 13.31, which is now rolling out to Fenix 8 AMOLED, Fenix 8 Solar, Fenix E, and Enduro 3 smartwatches. And this update is generating significant buzz as it tackles critical bugs and introduces several new features that could pave the way for a stable 13.xx release for all users very soon. Over the past 7 days, Garmin has been rapidly iterating on the 13.xx testing cycle with 4 releases, and version 13.31 brings 2 essential bug fixes for the new Passcode feature. First, it resolved an issue where Garmin Connect Mobile was not properly exiting the block state, and second, it ensures that the Passcode lock does not interrupt the Wi-Fi syncing process, which has been a concern for many users. In addition to these fixes, this update addresses a bug that previously prevented users from accessing the Smart Trainer options menu, thereby enhancing the overall user experience. Further, the release notes reveal that the ECG and dive features have been enabled, signaling that Garmin anticipates this update will soon become stable and available across all supported devices. And this is a crucial enhancement for those who rely on these features for health and fitness tracking during intense outdoor activities. The complete change log, which has been updated since the last live version 12.38, includes not only the new Passcode tool for extra security, but also the addition of strength workouts to Garmin Run Coach and Garmin Cycling Coach plans, offering users a more comprehensive set of training options, and new QWERTY keyboard layout with support for predictive text, which will streamline the process of entering data and managing notifications on the go. Improvements to the body battery and training readiness metrics have also been implemented, making the watch's performance monitoring more accurate and reliable. And all these enhancements come as part of an over-the-air OTA update that Garmin is rolling out in a phased manner. Although the exact percentage of users who have received the update so far has not been disclosed. This rapid pace of development and the inclusion of these significant features underscore Garmin's commitment to refining its smartwatch ecosystem and delivering a user experience that meets the demands of both casual users and dedicated athletes. If you own one of the supported Garmin devices, you'll soon notice that your watch is more secure, responsive, and packed with features that help you manage your health, training, and daily activities with unprecedented ease. While this update is primarily targeted at OEM systems and advanced users, its implications extend to the entire Garmin community, promising a smoother, more reliable performance that bridges the gap between hardware excellence and software innovation, as we await further announcements on the stable release of the 13.xx update. Keep an eye on your device for new features that will elevate your everyday experience, whether you're tracking your runs, monitoring your heart rate, or simply navigating through your daily schedule. Thank you for joining us on this comprehensive review of the Garmin Fenix 8 beta update version 13.31. And if you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, and subscribe for more in-depth tech reviews and updates. This is TechVerse, signing off.